In this video, we will show you how to customize the controls on your Forerunner 255 series watch. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools, such as assistants, Find My Phone, or timers. To access the controls on your watch, press and hold the light button in the upper left. Here you can see the default controls options. Press and hold the up button to access the controls menu. Select Add Controls using the Start-Stop button. Use the up or down buttons to scroll through the list of options and select the options you would like to add. In this video, we will be adding Sunrise, Sunset. Press the back button 2 times to get back to your controls. Press the up or down buttons to see the options you have added. If you would like to change the order of the controls, press and hold the up button. Then scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Select the control you would like to reorder using the Start-Stop button. Then use the up or down button to change its position in the list. Press the Start-Stop button to confirm the position change. Finally, press the back button 2 times to get back to your controls. If you would like to remove an option from your controls, press and hold the up button. Then scroll down and select Remove Controls. Use the up or down button to scroll through the added options and press the Start-Stop button to select a control to remove. When you're done removing controls, press the back button 2 times to get back to the controls menu. And that's it. You can now customize the controls on your Forerunner 255 series watch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.